Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It is Tuesday, June 13th, 9:04 p.m., 2023. What I have today is the second of two Hunter Low Profile 5s. I found out that is the official name. It looks like Low Profile V, the Roman numeral for 5. And I guess they were sold at Lowe's as well as Home Depot. I made the mistake yesterday. That was an error in reporting that it was exclusively sold at Home Depot. So I wanted to correct myself there. So without further ado, let's take it for a test spin. Start off on high. Set it down to medium. Slow. And now for the spin down. So yeah, basically I installed the second fan. The only part that I left from the first was the mounting plate, which is I just didn't feel like uninstalling the entire mounting plate and put up an identical one, but everything else different fan. One thing that was lacking, I'm certain they're not going to complain because both fans were given to me as as gifts, but neither of them came with any of the any screw. Oh, the motor screws. So luckily I have plenty of extras. I have actually a box of them around, some new ones here as well. I used to use some old ones I had lying around, but at the time they used pretty much universal screws. So and the little ones holding the motor, I actually had, I don't even know what this is from. I have a little pull chain and a couple of wire nuts, or a wire nut, and these little screws, and can't remember what they're from, if it's from a light kit or something, but these fit perfectly for the 3 screws that I needed for the to attach the motor housing to the mounting bracket. I mean, they fit in the hole perfectly. So yeah, overall no complaints there. I'd like to thank you folks for watching. Please do like and subscribe if you don't mind. Yeah, stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.